Hi, in this video I will show you very easy hair drawing tutorial that could be used for portrait drawing. First, we divide our drawing page into equal parts. I do all the measurements by eye. Then we draw an oval shape. We divide the oval into two equal parts down the middle. Now, draw the main lines that define the hair. Draw the hairline about 1/3 of the way down from the top of the oval. The hair can be straight, wavy, or curly, depending on your preference. We cover the entire hair area with charcoal powder. You need to do this step 2 or more times until it becomes smooth and even. Then, use a soft brush to blend the hair evenly. Now, use a pencil to draw individual hair strands one by one. Draw fine hair strands around the area where you use charcoal powder to make it look more natural. Then, use a mechanical eraser or an eraser with a sharpened edge to create hair strands that represent light reflections. Finally, use a soft brush to blend the entire surface and soften the transition between the dark and light areas. This is the result. In next video, we will complete the face, but in a very easy method.